All right, so today we're looking at a 2017 Landoll 930. It is a 51-foot trailer, so you get a little bit of extra deck space. Driver's side controls only, so that's something to keep in mind. It does have a recessed ramp that'll lift up to load the neck. The deck seems to be in pretty good shape. It's a little bleached, but I would say it still has some good life left in it. You're looking at 235/75 17.5 rubber on aluminum polished wheels on the outside. The tail is a 15-foot, so kind of nice. It allows for a better load angle, which is very desirable for some folks. It also has a dump valve on the suspension, which again allows for a little bit better load angle. For the most part, it's a pretty straightforward trailer. There's nothing really fancy to it, so in my opinion, that's always less stuff to break. Again, you got chain boxes on the top. You do have some covered storage underneath the neck, which to me is kind of, it's nice to have, but it's not all that it's cracked up to be. And you've got a hydraulic winch as well. If you have any questions, give me a call, 713-675-5922, AA Diesel Truck and Equipment Inc. And look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Thank you.